Welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of FinWave Business and Finance WordPress theme. For this, go to the Appearance theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme, and for choosing file, look for exact zip file of FinWave Business and Finance WordPress theme, and then upload it. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins. So click on it and select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then apply. Now back to the dashboard. Go to the Appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: manual import, auto import, and under this auto import you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Take few time to complete. Now click Visit Site to view. FinWave is a sleek and modern theme designed for financial professionals and firms. Offers a clean layout that highlights your content. It is absolutely perfect for financial advisors, consultants, accountants, and more. It provides all the essential features needed for corporate business website in this niche. This is how you can import and demo content of FinWave Business and Finance WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.